Namaste students, in this video we are going to learn about multiplication of a fractions with a whole. Let's take a problem. Multiply 2 by 6 by 24 kg. So first I will write given fraction, that is 2 by 6 multiplied by 24 kg. As I discussed in the previous video, we need to check is that given fraction is in the simplest form or not. First, we will check common factors of this 2 and 6. If you see this 2 and 6, we will say that there is a common factor 2. Why? Because this 2 divides this 2 as well as this 6. Now, I will divide this 2 by 2. I will get the quotient as 1. I will divide this 6 also by this common factor 2. I will get the quotient as 3. Next step is I will write the simplest fraction of this one. I got it as 1 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator, multiplied by 24 kg. Second step, we need to check the common factors of whole and denominator. After seeing this whole and denominator, we will say that this whole and denominator have a common factor 3, because this 3 divides 24 divides this 3 also. Now I will divide this 24 by 3. Once I divide this 24 by 3, I will get the quotient as 3 8s are 24. So 8, I will get the quotient. Similarly, once I divide this denominator by this 3, I will get 1 as the quotient. Now I left with 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator with this fraction. Whenever 1 is there in the denominator, we should not write, just we need to skip. Then they are given multiplication sign. Here I left with 8, I wrote 8. 1 into 8, I got 8. This is the case. Let's take this problem. First I will write fraction 4 by 7 multiplied with rupees 35. As I discussed in the previous videos, first we need to check given fraction, is it there in the simplest form or not. As you can see, this 4 and 7 don't have any common factor except 1. Because of that, we will say that this 4 by 7 is in the simplest form. After confirming the given fraction in the simplest form, second step is we have to check the common factors between the whole and denominator. As you can see directly, this 35 is divisible by this denominator 7. Because of that, we will say that this 35 and 7 have a common factor 7. We got a common factor 7. Now I will divide this 35 by 7. I will get the quotient as 7 5s are 35. So because of that, I got the quotient as 5. Same way, I will divide this denominator also by this 7. Once I divide this 7 by 7, I will get the quotient as 1. After this, we need to see what is left with the fraction, what is left with the whole. In this fraction, we left 4 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. Whenever 1 is there, we should not write, we will just skip it. Multiplication sign, and here we left with rupees 5. Now we need to multiply these two. After multiplying, I will get the answer as rupees 20. After multiplying 4 and rupees 5, 4 into 5 20 rupees. This is the final answer.
Subscribe to Win Maths, press the bell icon for notifications, and last, thank you and God bless you all.